Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Ocho Rios and we're giving you a tour of the SOL Harbour development. Now this is a mega development done by Proven in Ocho Rios. Now both these towers are 7 floors. This development sold out as soon as it went on the market. So I want to ask you guys, do you think these buildings should have been taller? I think this was a missed opportunity by Proven. To do this kind of development at a location like this is a game changer. I'm not sure why they never made these towers taller. I mean, 20 floors, 28 floors, the development would have been sold out. They were in such demand. When these units went on the market, Proven held back a few that they were going to sell after the development was finished. And when those few units went on the market at the end, sold off within a day. They had a waiting list waiting on these units. So let us know what you think. Do you think they should have been taller with more units, similar to the Pinnacle at 28 floors in Montego Bay? Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day. Also, why do you think they didn't go higher? 2 towers at 7 floors, not even 10 floors? Because Proven has built taller buildings. They have a development via at Braemar, New Kingston, 10 floors, sold out, completely sold out. That was their first major real estate development. And then they did the Avista in Montego, in Mandeville, which I don't think that one sold out, but it's Mandeville, it's not Kingston or the North Coast. And then they did this one, which is SOL Harbour, sold out. And then they're doing Bahari at Runaway Bay, in Runaway Bay. That one is still under construction. I'm not sure what the sales are with that one, but we have videos up of all these developments so you can check them out. All right, guys, have a good day.